Both of them have the accessory organs as well as the main digestive organs. We have brought in what are the anatomage table and tablets, which it gives a digital learning environment that supplements to our real specimens.
This is a new technology that we have for the anatomy physiology lab, and so we're the first in the nation and only in the nation right now, as far as we know, of animal science curriculums and pre-veterinary programs to incorporate this into the classroom.
But like, what would be right here? What's in that empty spot? The stomach.
Using this in animal science classes, it's a new way to introduce the different models into the animal science world. There's not many that have this for an animal science. We see a lot of it in the human anatomy world.
We want to give students of different learning styles multiple ways to learn, because not everyone learns the same way.
This yellow structure in here will be the pancreas.
So this gives a good 3D picture of what those organs that we're looking at and how they are organized in a specimen.
The experiential learning that this lab provides is really phenomenal. Getting to listen to something in a lecture gives you some level of detail, but then actually getting to see it in action and put your hands on it and navigate it, it really puts concepts into action.